correct your English. Mustard seeds are breaking. Mustard seeds are popping. Mustard seeds are crackling. Mustard seeds are bursting. The tax should be removed. The tax should be abolished. He has got pus. He has developed an abscess. Nutrients are taken into the blood. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. He asked his boss to leave him. He asked for leave of absence from his job. The country has a lot of natural resources. The country has an abundance of natural resources. He is beating and insulting. He is abusive. The car moved fast. The car sped.